Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to review an app, GoShare Driver application, to find out if it suits you or not. So let's get started. First, we will discuss what this app is. GoShare is an application that connects driver with people who need help moving or delivering items. The items can be furniture, office gear, junk, or anything. So, who can use it? If you are a truck driver, you are van driving, you have SUV or a reliable car, you can sign up for it. You can also work as a helper without bringing your own vehicle. So, both drivers and helpers can earn from it. Drivers earn about $40 to $85 per hour depending on their vehicle size, and helpers can also earn around $40 per hour. But you can earn more if you are a driver. So if you have a vehicle, this is a plus point. Now we will talk about how it works. You just have to download their app and then open the app, create your account, then browse nearby jobs. You can view payment, distance, and load details, and if this suits you, you can accept the offer. Payment is sent weekly via direct deposit, usually within a few days. Now there are some positive points and some drawbacks. So let's discuss them. It is flexible app. You can work anytime. Its interface is clean, user-friendly, and easy to use. It also handles customer service and payments itself. Now there are some drawbacks. The application process can take up to 2 weeks, requires a vehicle inspection and $45 background check. Work availability depends on your city. Some cities have busier services, for example, LA, Dallas, and Atlanta. GoShare is great side gig if you already own a qualifying vehicle and do not mind physical work. But it's not a full-time replacement. If you want a flexible way to earn extra cash on your time, then it's a good way. So that's all about GoShare. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.